Всем привет! In the previous video I told you about my experience with acne treating, and I also told you how I started taking vitamins, which surprisingly gave me really good result with my skin. And I wanted to understand why it was like that. They were vitamin complexes, and I wanted to understand which vitamins I have a lack, because I already made different blood tests and something, but I still don't know what's the reason. So I want to figure it out, to try at least. So I bought 2 packs of these vitamins. These two helped me the most, so they made my skin like almost perfect, and my skin is quite bad, used to be quite bad, and I don't know how it worked. So today I want to compare the vitamins these complexes include, and I want to maybe figure it out a little bit. So let's begin. The complex name is Alfavit. So Alfavit, and here Alfavit. This one is called Classic, so that's the classical complex, like typical for everyone. And this one is called Cosmetic, so it's like something like skin, nails and hair complex. So such kind of boxes. And yeah, here it's written, the idea of this brand is that there are 3 tablets, so you need to take 3 tablets per day. They have different colors, so let me show you. For example, this one, the classical. So 3 tablets, white, blue and pink. White for morning, blue for daytime, and pink for evening. So you need to take them with time gap not less than 4 or 5 hours. It's made to avoid mixing some unmixable vitamins or elements, and this complex, which is cosmetic, don't know exactly. So this we have colors, well, we already can see it here, and it's like that. Green for morning, like light orange for daytime, and just orange for evening time. And here we can see the which vitamins are included. So let's see, what do we have here? We have in the morning tablet D3. So have we got vitamin D3 here? Yes. So let's make a plus, and let's make a plus here. The next one, the vitamin which is called biotin in Russian. I don't know how to translate it in English, I'll check. We have in both of complexes biotin. Then B6, yes, so for now they are almost similar. B6, B12, yes, folic acid, this one, folic acid, yes, and yes, and vitamin K1, yes, K1, yes, they are absolutely similar here. Also chrom, calcium, and beauty complex also had got cremium, in Russian it's kremny, so it's some extra, and I don't know how to translate it in English. In Russian it's paraimna benzoiная кислота, so it's some acid. I don't know what kind of. Okay, let's go to the day tablet. Vitamin E. I see that both of the vitamins are here. Vitamin B6 again. Yes, we have it. Vitamin B2, yes. Vitamin C. Yes. The vitamin which is called PP vitamin, nicotinamide in Russian. And also here it's beta carotene. I don't know how to translate it. Magni, or magnesium in English. Zinc, yes. Iod, don't know how to name it in English. Iod, selen, and here there is molybden, and here there are lots of other coenzyme Q10, quercetin, proatocianiды, polyphenopy, curcumin. Okay, this one doesn't have this, but I have good results from both of them. So okay, vitamins. So B1 we've got here and here. C, yes. Folic acid, yes. And A, yes. And iron and cuprum. And here we also have the same with this one, and inulin. I'll translate it, I guess. So don't know what it says to us, because actually there are lots of them, and maybe I need to find my old blood test. This is like vitamin B12. Don't know why there are two of them, but still they both are okay. Vitamin D is D3, D2 and D3. Okay, these are not vitamins. So calcium is okay. Magnesium is okay. Zinc is okay, but not really high, by the way. And this is like iron, so it's low. I have anemia, but that's very typical for many women, so yeah. By the way, dermatologists told me that it can be connected with iron, but I already took just iron and I didn't have such a result. So except iron, we still have different vitamins: B, biotin, folic acid, chrome, E, nicotinamide, C, and here so many: selen and iod, yes, iod, and here so many things can be connected with that. So many things I probably need to check, and I wonder how expensive can it be to understand why it works like that, or can I just not to check, and if it helps me, if the cream which dermatologist prescribed me helps, maybe I just need to leave it like that. But it's very interesting, because what here is so helpful to me, I don't know. I got no clue. I still got no clue, but still I wanted to check. So I hope this was just a little bit interesting, at least maybe for you. So anyway, thank you for watching, and пока.